Now in this question, there are n arithmetic means between 3 and 17. The ratio of the last mean to the first mean, it is what? 3:1. Find the value of n. We have to find the value for n. Now, let A1, A2, A and B n arithmetic means between 3 and 17. Therefore, 3, A1, A2, AN and 17 forms an AB. Now, here A is equal to 3 and the last term, that is Tn plus 2. You can just write it last term as B. We have already discussed that arithmetic terms lying between A and B. So, let us discuss B is the last term, that is Tn plus 2, and Tn plus 2 is what? That is 17. Now, common difference D is equal to B minus A upon n plus 1. This we have already discussed. So, D is equal to 17 minus 3 upon n plus 1. This becomes 14 upon n plus 1. First thing. Okay. Now, what is A1? We have to find the ratio of the last mean to the first mean, and first mean is what? A1. A1 is the first mean. So, A1 is equal to A plus D and A1 is equal to 3 plus 14 upon n plus 1. So, on solving, let me write here, therefore, A1 is equal to 3n plus 17 upon n plus 1. Similarly, last mean, that is what? That is An. Now, An will be what? It will be A plus Nd. Okay. An will be A plus Nd. Now, here An is equal to 3 plus n times 14 upon n plus 1, or An is equal to, now 14n and 3 and 17n plus 3 upon n plus 1. So, what we have got it? We got it what is first mean and then what is the last mean. Two terms we got it. Now, given condition is ratio of the last mean to the first mean is 3:1. Okay. This is the given condition. Now, or we can write it An upon A1 is equal to 3 upon 1. Now, An it was 17n plus 3 upon n plus 1 divided by A1 3n plus 17 upon n plus 1. Now, this is equal to 3 upon 1. Now, we can cancel n plus 1 and n plus 1. So, what we are left with? We are left with 17n plus 3 upon 3n plus 17 is equal to 3 upon 1. Now, 17n plus 3 is equal to 9n plus 51. Sorry. 8n is equal to 48, therefore, n is equal to 6. Hence, the required arithmetic means lying between 3 and 17 are 6, and if the ratio between the first mean and the last mean is 1:3, or according to the question, if the ratio between last mean to first mean is 3:mean. Hence n is equal to 6 is the answer.